students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our next question is for a given figure, P vector minus Q vector is. Our options are OC vector, CO vector, DA vector or AB vector. So if we understand the concept of this addition of vector, if we have a question like where P vector plus Q vector, if you know what is P vector plus Q vector in a parallelogram law, if this is P vector, this is Q vector, then this diagonal is actually P vector plus Q vector, correct? Now I am telling we have question P vector minus Q vector. Can I write this as P vector plus minus of Q vector? Can I write this? It is the correct way, right? Now, what is minus of Q vector? If this is a Q vector, so minus of Q vector will be same vector but in opposite direction, correct? Same length vector, but since this Q vector is pointing in this direction, minus Q vector will point in the exactly opposite direction, correct? So if this is P vector, so Q vector will be exactly opposite like this. On the same line, it will be exactly opposite and same length, and it will be same length as well. Now we can shift. Now if you will see this triangle, if this parallelogram, if you will see this parallelogram, you will see this P vector and this is Q vector. So diagonal of this parallelogram will give us a, see, this is Q vector and this is minus Q vector. So this vector will be P vector according to parallelogram law, P vector plus minus Q vector, correct? And this is what we are supposed to find. So what is this vector? If we shift this vector, we can shift the vectors, right? So we are shifting this vector exactly from this parallelogram to this parallelogram. So it is exactly same as the other diagonal of this parallelogram, which is B to A vector. So the correct answer will be BA vector, option C. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.